Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to rotate text in Photopea. Open your preferred browser and navigate to photopea.com. Once on the Photopea homepage, create a new project or choose an existing one. Select text layer you want to rotate by clicking on it in the Layers panel. Within text layer selected, navigate to Edit menu at the top of screen. Scroll down and find the Transform option in the menu. In the Transform submenu, you will see options to rotate text by 90 degrees to right, 90 degrees to left, or 180 degrees. Choose the rotation option that suits your needs. Once you click desired rotation option, text will be rotated accordingly. You can repeat this process if you need further rotation, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Z to undo any changes. After rotating text as desired, you can continue editing or save your project. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing and liking video.